I don't know if you want to use this. I don't know if you want to use it, sis. Why me? She like, you want to know a price? Hold on. Let me look on eBay. Let me look. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day. I'm at the post office, and y'all won't believe what I just sold. 3 bars of this 1970s Phase 3 soap. They sold on eBay for $20, and I paid $1 for them at an estate sale. Like, do y'all think they're gonna use this soap?
Hashtag gross.
I'm hoping it's for a movie, but like actually using this soap, I guess it don't matter as long as it's not a woman, you know, because women, you know, you could throw off your pH with this. I don't know if you want to use this. I don't know if you want to use it, sis. I don't know if you want to use it.
The next day.
People don't talk about this part of being a reseller on the side. The problems. Life problems. I'm dropping the Prius off. It's getting some work done, and I'm now waiting on Uber to come pick me up. Y'all want more videos? I'm going to show y'all the struggles I have during the week while working and being a part-time reseller. People just looking at me. I don't care. Yes, good morning. All right, Candy Crew. I made it to the other car. I'm blessed to have multiple vehicles, but now I gotta head to work. The grind doesn't stop. I gotta deliver some packages. Yeah. I hope you guys are having an amazing day.
Several days later.
While picking up my car, I realized my front tire was low in air. Y'all, so I'm at the ATM machine. It's out of service. Why me? I need to get air in my tires, but I need some cash. I was able to find a working ATM machine. Now it's time to get air in my tires. Candy Crew. Y'all see that flat? Like, come on. Come on. Really? Is this how I'm going to start my morning? With a flat tire? I can't make this stuff up. And now I got to fix the Lexus, the flat tire, because street sweeping is coming tomorrow, so I cannot leave it in front of the house. Help me! Alright, let's wait on AAA. I'll see y'all in a second. I think AAA is finally arriving. I've been waiting for almost an hour. Let's go see if they're here.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you.
Be an independent woman, they said. I'm tired of being an independent woman. Who gonna come save me? Come save me, boo.
Another thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna.
End of flashback.
Yard sale time.
Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm feeling for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion.
So y'all, I actually realized that I came to this house like, I think like a month ago.
How much PlayStation? No games?
We did have a few games. I don't know if we sold one last time.
They having another sale. Let's see if they have something new.
Hello.
Good morning.
Oh, good up. Thank you.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so you guys saw they didn't have much of anything today. And I think the younger crowd that was there at the last one wasn't there this time. And that's where I got the PlayStation from. Y'all know. But we're going to keep searching. Let's go. So I'm feeling lucky. We about to stop at this liquor store and get some lottery tickets. Hey, what would I do if I hit the lottery? Dang, that's a good question. What would y'all do if y'all hit the lottery? Comment down below. Sheesh. Like, all right, I won some money on these tickets. I'm going to turn these in and get some more tickets.
$3.
Okay, 1 super, 1 mega, and 1 power.
$2.
I gotta make sure that these don't get ruined like that one.
Yeah. Is it been too long?
Yeah. What? No. Let me see.
March 18.
Yeah, not long ago.
Not long, no.
All right.
You got it.
Thank you. All right, Candy Crew. We headed to another garage sale right now. Well, they said it's 50 years old. Most of the stuff they have. Let's go see. Good morning. How you doing? I'm fine, and you?
Good, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, if they had the camp, that's why I was looking. If they had the camp now of years, they don't have to have a
This is an old trailer VHS. I should be able to sell it for around 50 bucks. So of course I grabbed it.
You said $100 on the bill. Is that with the cart?
Well, I wasn't gonna,
I mean, Craftsman is a good drill press.
yeah, it is. It's got more oomph.
Sealed vintage board games always do well for me. I was gonna pick this one up, but brand new, it only goes for 12 bucks. So I decided to leave it behind.
You got somebody that's.
What? Hi, question, how much are your helmets?
Let me ask. Those are the wrestling helmets?
They look like yes.
So, what are those? Did you want all of them?
Yeah, the price is right.
Oh, rolling. Maybe those are baseball. Hold on.
Where, babe?
Here.
Oh, here. Okay. Could be wrestling.
I thought they were wrestling as well.
Yeah, they are wrestling. They're wrestling because they're to protect
Your ears.
from what was that?
1, 2.
What's that called?
Club ear.
Club
1,
ear.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Yeah,
of them.
yeah. Who's interested? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, yes sir.
Good.
So she wanted to know how much these were.
I don't know, honey. You can do whatever you want to
Okay.
do.
Let me.
You want me to go put the signs down?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. I decided to give her some space as she looked up the items on eBay.
Okay, great. So, 20, I don't know.
20 for what? One?
Yeah, I don't know.
They're 20 bucks about 20 bucks each. Vintage ear guard protectors.
Ear guard.
Wrestlers, boxing, softball. These are between 20 and there's older ones. This is like 32. I don't know, how many are there?
6. There's 3
You got a
red
wrestling
and,
team?
Oh, my uncle's into it.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah.
3 red and 3 blue.
50 bucks? Whatever.
Can you do
50 bucks?
50?
Would that work?
Oh, let me think about it. How much for these 2 items? The tape and the game.
$5.
Okay, I'll get that.
A few moments later.
So I think I'm gonna just get the VHS. How much just for this?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
$3?
Can you do 2?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
So it's like every time I ask for a price, she had to search it. I'm like, I'm gonna see how much this VHS tape is worth, because our boyfriend told me the price of that. But I looked at that board game, it wasn't worth nothing, like $12, so I left that there.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Olive Avenue.
But y'all know I like VHS tapes. That is too funny though. She like, you wanna know a price? Hold on. Let me look on eBay. Let me look. Ain't nothing wrong with looking on eBay. Like, I normally feel lucky coming to this particular city, but today, I'm not feeling it. So, we gonna head to a new city. All right, y'all. So I'm in a new city and I spotted a yard sale. It was not listed. I'm about to pull in this parking lot and see what they got. All right, let's hurry up. I'm parked in the wrong parking lot, but we're gonna hurry up. Oh, let's see. Oh, my leg. Y'all, I can't make this up. Every sale has been awful. We're not going to stop until we find a good sale. I don't give up easily. All right, y'all. They said it's for free right here. We're going to shoot. We're going to shoot. We're going to shoot. Uh-oh. Hi, how you guys doing today? That's good.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Anything you see you like, you take.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of clothes in here, but I don't know.
Oh, somebody was a big Laker fan, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. And that way it'd be easier for people.
Oh. Oh, thank you. I love wearing a jacket. Thank you so much. What size is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it says 1X. Okay. I should be able to squeeze in it. Yes. I am so thankful to get all of those items for free. See what the sale got? Ooh. Do I park right here?
It would probably be good to put that new card in there with the violins.
This Simpson computer game goes for about 20 bucks. Oh, look at Barbie. Hi, how much is your Barbie?
How about $2?
$2? Okay, for both pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
They go together.
Okay. Let me see if I can get something else from you guys.
Okay. Put this over here.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
How much is the bear?
Just $1.
Okay. To go you $3.
Yeah. Okay, let me go get your change.
Okay. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Oh, let me see that poster. Hold on. The new mermaid is coming out, and this is the band poster. This should sell for around 50 bucks. How much is your picture frame?
That was like 50 cents.
I'll give you $1. Oh, you have the Dalmatians too? Uh-uh. How much is the Dalmatians?
The same.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now they're kind of rusty.
If you want those, 50 cents for both of them.
Oh, really? Okay. Let me see if I have room in my car. Are these older?
No, they're like 1980.
Really?
Yeah. They fold up like this.
Oh, okay. You said from 1980?
Around 1980 is, you know, vintage.
Oh, okay.
You know, I can't say exactly when, but
Okay.
it was in that area.
Okay. You said 50 cents?
50 cents for both.
You can take the $1. Let
Okay.
me squeeze in my car. Ugh. These chairs should sell for around 75 bucks. All right, Candy Crew. So that sale was much better than the previous. I had to get the Little Mermaid. Y'all know the new Little Mermaid is coming out. So I had to get that poster frame. Then they had the one-on-one Dalmatian, so I got that one as well. And that Barbie, I don't know how much it's worth, but it just reminded me of back in the days when I used to collect Barbies. So I got it. And y'all know I love lawn chairs, so I had to get the lawn chairs as well.